Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from superezforex. I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm going to take you into two live trades that we're in right now, and also sent into our signals group. So I'm going to show you why I took those trades, the simple breakdown, how to do a quick analysis, and just take some trades. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to the charts. So right here, as you can see, I'm up 60 pips, a little over 60 pips. But this one here is a very simple trade. All I did was take it off of the H4 timeline. And this particular indicator is free. It's called the Info Plus, where you can actually get the analysis on your trade. So if you're in multiple positions, as you can see, I'm in multiple positions, which equals to the 60-something pips. My first position is 22 pips. Second one is 18. Third one is 19 pips. So it totals out to so now it's at 66 pips, 65 pips or something. But why did I take this trade? As you can see, this is the H4, the higher time frame. And all I did was take it in the direction of the arrow. Now what happens is that I like to take it during consolidation period. So let me show you what that means. So during this period here, you can see there was consolidation here to the upside. So I call it the SpongeBob square head, right? So it goes up, consolidates, and then continues in the same direction it began. Now, the same thing happened on the reverse. Consolidates, you jump in on the consolidation, and just wait for it to finish consolidating, then it continues in the direction it was always going. So if I remove this right here, let's remove this little highlighted area. What was the direction it was going in? Well, clearly you can see it was in a downtrend. Okay, so I waited for it to come back up, consolidate, and as you can see, now I'm up 72 pips. Okay. As you can see, it was very simple. It comes down, consolidates for a little bit. You get in on the consolidation, or as I call it, the SpongeBob square head, because it's square. It squares off. See how it squares off? So once it squares off, I get in on that and just ride it on down. Okay, let me show you another trade that we're in, and that is also the AUD. All right, on this particular one, why did I get into this one? All right, I'll show you really quickly. On this one here, you can see that the trend is actually heading in a downtrend. Okay, we can say right here. Okay, so it's heading in a clear downtrend. It looks like it's trying to pull back, so that's fine. I'll hop in on this one using my 5-minute, and let me move my head out the way, using the 5-minute time frame. And as you can see, this is why I hopped into this trade off the 5-minute time frame. Okay, and this is just another way if you want to get in a little bit earlier. Now I see it's creating a small little slant, so it could pop back up a little bit and retest the area, but that's okay. We'll see how it plays out. But that was as simple as that. Just looking at the directional bias off the higher time frame and then going down to a lower time frame will help you to learn how to do your analysis much better and faster. Okay, so all you're doing is just whatever time frame on the higher time frame, whether you like to trade off the daily time frame or off the 4-hour time frame, that's fine. And then once you understand the direction of bias, you can hop in on pullbacks or consolidation patterns off of those higher time frames and just take it for a ride. Okay, so hopefully this little quick video helps you guys understand how I look at the charts and how I like to do my analysis. Now, of course, not every trade turns out to be a winner, and that's okay, but at least we understand why we're taking these trades, because we're trying to trade in the direction of bias. In other words, trading with the trend if you want to do it that way. Now, we have other strategies that you can use, which I've showed you guys many times in many different videos on how to take reversals off of higher time frames. Again, notice the key that I'm using, higher time frames. Higher time frames to me is key because it gives you the global picture of what's going on in the markets, and then you can narrow down to whether you want to trade off the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. It doesn't matter. You're trading in a direction that you understand. Okay, and that's how we use it using the simplicity system. All right. Have a good day, good people.